the Weather Channel, right?
Yeah. Channel 67.
You want 67?
Yeah. Today is New Year's Eve, and we'll celebrate with a required weekly test on New Year's Day. This is a weekly test
Of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Why does it say January 1st, 2024?
That's a mistake.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be say 2025, not 2024.
Now watch.
Watch this. Read it, Dad.
EAS participant has issued a required weekly test for the following counties or areas: Butler, Dodge, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Nemaha, Odo, Pawnee, Platte, Richardson, Saline, Saunders, Seward, and York, Nebraska. At 1:48 a.m. on January 1st, 2024, effective until 2:03 a.m. Message from Lincoln Channel.
Lincoln, Nebraska channel.
Yeah. It's supposed to be 2025, not 2024.
That's a mistake.
Yep.
And 3 in a row before say the end. Just like say what happened in 2019 on January 5th on Saturday. January 5th, 2019 is that happened in 2019, say 2018. Like with Blue's Clues, the original one. Okay, the end.
Alright. Get to bed. That's it.
That's it.
Get to bed.
With the weird wrong year. I saw EAS number 30 on Happy New Year. Dad? Mom?
What?
Why says the EAS on the school banner says say 2024? Say 2024? It's supposed to be say 2025, not 2024. That wrong year is a mistake.
Fine.
Tell mom to what say at the end of the video. This is only a test.
No.
Tag.
Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Good night.
But mom,
What?
but the EAS girl banner is supposed to be say 2025, not 2024.
Okay.
But the year is a mistake.
The year was a mistake, yes.
But this is the EAS required weekly test on New Year's.
It could have been they didn't change it yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
Only a test.
This is a required
Required
weekly
weekly
test
test.
of the.
Emergency alert system.
This is
Only a test.
on New Year's Day and a Happy New Year
Happy New Year.
from SPC Storm Protection Center, Lincoln 1458.
Okay.
All right.
Good night.
Good night. All right. Let's towards me.
I love you.
I love you. Let's towards me.
Okay, I can't see you. I only see your head. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
I see you.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right. That was the recorded weekly test. Press stop the video. That's it. See you next time.
Okay. See you next time. Bye.
I'll see you some more EAS tests.
Okay. All right?
All right?
Okay. Good night.
Good night and a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
2025.
2025.
Okay?
That's it?
That's it.
Hit the red button?
Yes?